rise in the dark of night, fire burning in the sky. Ravens turn in a widening ring, the tide begins to form. She lifts her hands, the heavens sing, and the silence splits in storm. Ancient words in the rain and flame, every wind repeats her name. Where the witch calls the storm, thunder falls to her feet, lightning bends to her form, wild and fierce and free. And the sea breaks open wide when her voice is reborn. No power can deny where the witch calls the storm. Salt and moon in her braided hair, shadows move at her side. She sings in a tongue of stone and air, and the waves begin to rise. The sky is torn by silver light, the cliffs begin to shake. Every heart that feared the night starts to bend and break. They try to silence her name, bury the flame in stone, but storms remember the call, and the wind is her throne. Where the witch calls the storm, mountains tremble